Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change a Lufthansa Airlines flight. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account in Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type lufthansa.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions at the top right corner to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change a Lufthansa Airlines flight. Now, for you to do that, you need to head over to the My Manage Booking tab, or Manage Booking or My Booking tab, which I'm going to show you rightly or shortly. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You have Book and Prepare, you have My Bookings, and you have Discover Lufthansa. So go ahead and click on My Bookings, and it takes you right here where you have extended options, which include Manage and Extra Services. Under these two categories, head over to Manage. You're going to see Check-in, Flight Status, Manage Bookings, Seat Reservation, Rebook, Cancellation and Refund, Passenger Receipts, Delayed and Damaged Baggage. So go ahead and click on Manage Bookings. Find and manage all of your upcoming bookings in one place. I do not have any booking, but here you go. But these are not, because I have not paid for this booking. But you're gonna find your bookings, right? And once you find your booking in here, just right next to your booking, you're going to see an option that says View and Edit Flight Details right next to your booking. So go ahead and click on View and Edit Flight Details. Once you click on View and Edit Flight Details, it's going to take you to a window where you can now change your flight. You can make changes to your flight. You can change the destination, you can change the date, you can change your seats, and whatever you want to do there, you can do there. Just right next to your booking, go ahead and click on View and Edit Flight Details. That way you will be able to change all the details of your Lufthansa Airlines flight. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.